Hey, and hello everybody. It is me, it's Melissa Caton, Coda That. Today I'm going to share with you something new about me, and maybe it's something you didn't know. I'm not just a proud Coda, I'm proudly from the island of Guam, and I'm involved with the Guam's deaf team to preserve the Chamoru Sign Language, and involved with the Mariana's Festival Committee, hosted in Portland, Oregon and Vancouver, Washington. Our deaf team are flying together to teach you the Chamoru Sign Language. There's so much more workshops and things to offer, so check it out.
Viva Mariana! Viva! Viva Mariana!
Viva, viva.